Hi guys, so now on this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life or the service light on the Toyota Sienna 2008. So first step, you turn your key to position 2. 1, 2. Don't turn on your car, and you got a button on your left side of the dash. So now it's on 3-pay. You need to go to the auto, and now you turn your key off. Press the button, and on the same time you're still pressing, you turn your key to position number 2 and keep holding until it says reset. So now it's okay. So now turn your key off again. Now you can crank, and you don't got any lights on.